Hello guys, welcome to 974 Exotics, turn for another treat. Since we are in the Lexus, the LC500 that you already saw on our YouTube channel, link in the description if you want to see it again, or for those who didn't see it. I have the Mini Cooper of my wife, and the car desperately needed a wash, not a detail, but a wash. And most of the places that are going to clean the car in a very professional level, they're not going to do the wash and that's it. They're gonna do a full detail, and that's not the thing that we're looking for in the society. So we found a place that is called Black Diamond, and Black Diamond, they clean the cars in a very professional way. And this way is the following. Basically, they have three types of wash. So they have the 45 riyals, which is a normal wash. You have the 100, which is wash with two foams plus a wax on the body. But if your car has PPF and it had already a certain detailing done to it, you can opt to not wax it, but it's the same price as the normal VIP price, which is 100. Which is not expensive by all means, the two washes respectively. The fact of the matter is, what they do in the 45 riyals wash, they foam the car once. And the best part is it's that they use colorful foams. I think they have blue, purple, yellow, green, white, and just adds up like a certain feel to the wash, which is nice.
And it has a nice smell also.
Oh yes, exactly. Location wise, it's fairly simple. We're coming from the north of Lusail, and in front of us we have the Arch Bridge, which is the beginning of the south side of Lusail. As soon as you come up to the signal, on your right side you're gonna find the Lusail University, and it's literally just next to it. We're gonna put their link in the description, so you can go on their Instagram page for those who are in Qatar, and just click on the location, and it's fairly simple. It's in the parking lot downstairs. We're gonna show you in a bit. Welcome to Black Diamond. Protection window film soon enough, plus the car wash. As you go down, simply easy, but for cars that are oh look, man, that's so special. Black Diamond. For sports cars, it's fairly simple to go down. We're waiting for the guys to come, that's why the parking is empty, but this is the place. The wash area with the special color foams, and then two areas or two bays to clean the cars and dry them, and so on and so on. So this place on the right side is going to be the detailing center and the window film and so on. And on the left side is basically a waiting area for the clients, AC and everything. So let's wait for the guys, and we're gonna do a mini showcase also. See you soon, stay tuned.